Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day. We're moving at the speed of light. God is good and we are getting it done. I got a little something I wanted to show you right here. Let's look at it. You can see the turf out here isn't too bad, a little thin, non-irrigated right here. This is not irrigated, it's a GCI client. The shade kind of helps it with the heat a little bit, but right here, typically in years past, my friend has tried to grow turf up in these areas right here. And look what we got right here. Look at this big magnolia. Man, that thing's pretty, isn't it? But look at all this. It ain't gonna happen. I'm telling you, it is incredibly difficult, near impossible to grow turf under these conditions. With this particular one, and I know it is because it's not happening. I can look at it and tell it's not happening. So what I've recommended is we move his bed out, and what I mean by bed is this pine needle area. Let's move it out a little bit and catch the good grass, and let's go from here back and let's pine needle all that and convert it to natural. Why would you do that? Well, the main reason is so we don't have to look at dirt. I mean, we're trying to make a property look good and stand out from all the properties on the road, and who wants to look at dirt? So if you try turf over and over and over and over again, it don't happen. Grass isn't always the answer, okay? It's about making this place look really good overall. So the way I've done this is I've taken my stinger, and I mean, I have went over it multiple times, probably 6 or 8 times. I'll go over it 2 or 3 more on the video and show you how I'm doing this. But I've kind of drew out the bed how I want it. I met Mr. Leo out here and showed him what we're going to do. And also, while we're doing it, I told him, hey, let's go ahead and enclose all of this stuff right here. That way it makes mowing easier, weed eating non-existent here, and we're just going to bring it in and tie it in right here to the corner of this brick. Now when I seed this, I'm almost going to treat this as bare ground. Okay, I know I've got a little bit of turf in here, but I'm going to drop that grass seed right on that outside edge, and I'm going to create him a really good definitive line. So when that comes up, he'll be able to look at that and tell. Then he can come out here with his shovel and edge this out a little bit, and then he can take some Roundup or some type of weed killer or something, or heck, you could right here, you could almost take and skin that to the ground with a weed eater, a trimmer, and just cover it up with pine needles. Hey, I hope this helped. Hope you give you a little bit of an idea. If you've kind of got a spot you're struggling with, you can kind of fix it. I've actually got 2 more spots in the back. 1 or 2. Well, I'll know when I get back there. It's 1 or 2 that we're going to do the same thing, kind of do away with a little bit of turf and turn it into natural area. Man's just tired of looking at dirt. I don't blame him. I don't like looking at dirt either, right? So hey, like, subscribe, and share. Tell all your buddies. I will check you later.